Welcome to our guide on how to buy a car on Craigslist without getting scammed. Navigating the world of buying a vehicle online can be daunting, especially on platforms like Craigslist where the risk of scams is real. Fortunately, with a few well-informed strategies and a discerning eye, you can avoid pitfalls and find a great deal. In this guide, we'll walk you through essential tips and practices that ensure a safe and successful car purchase on Craigslist. Step 1. Research and set your budget. Before diving into Craigslist listings, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Determine the type, make, and model of the car you're interested in, and understand the average market value for the vehicles you're considering. Websites like Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds can provide valuable insights into fair pricing. Establish a realistic budget that includes potential costs like insurance, registration, and any required repairs. This preparation sets a strong foundation for your car buying journey. Step 2. Scrutinize listing details. When browsing Craigslist, diligently examine each vehicle listing. Be cautious of listings with too good to be true prices or vague descriptions. Legitimate listings should include comprehensive details such as year, make, model, mileage, and vehicle condition. High-quality photos of the car from multiple angles are a must. If a listing lacks sufficient information, don't hesitate to contact the seller for more details. Your vigilance here is key to avoiding scams. Step 3. Communicate carefully with sellers. Initiate communication with sellers through Craigslist message system before moving to phone calls or texts. Pay attention to how responsive and transparent the seller is. Warning signs include sellers who rush you, insist on wire transfers, or are located abroad despite advertising a local deal. Legitimate sellers will be open to answering questions, discussing the vehicle's history, and providing proof of ownership. Step 4. Arrange a safe test drive and inspection. Never purchase a car without a test drive. Arrange to meet the seller in a public place and bring along a friend or family member for added safety. During the test drive, pay close attention to the car's performance and listen for any unusual sounds. If possible, have a trusted mechanic inspect the vehicle before finalizing any deal. A professional inspection can reveal hidden issues that may not be apparent at first glance. Step 5. Verify vehicle history and ownership. Request the vehicle identification number, or VIN, from the seller and use it to obtain a vehicle history report through services like Carfax or AutoCheck. This report will reveal any past accidents, title issues, or odometer discrepancies. Also ensure the seller has the clear title to the car in their name. If the title is encumbered by a lien or doesn't match the seller's name, consider it a red flag. Step 6. Negotiate and finalize the deal. Once satisfied with the car's condition and history, the next step is negotiation. Use the research you conducted earlier to make a reasonable offer. Be firm but fair in your negotiations and be prepared to walk away if the terms don't meet your expectations. For payment, insist on a secure method such as a cashier's check or using an escrow service. Always obtain a bill of sale to formalize the transfer of ownership legally. By following these steps on how to buy a car on Craigslist without getting scammed, you can navigate Craigslist confidently and secure a vehicle that meets your needs without falling victim to fraud. Always prioritize safety and due diligence throughout your search. With careful planning, you'll be well equipped to drive away with a great deal that's as safe as it is satisfying. Happy car hunting!